Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Philips Hue Entertainment for music and light effects. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Philips Hue app on your device. Ensure that you are on the home screen. Look for the Entertainment tab in the navigation menu. Tap on the Entertainment tab to proceed. If you're not already logged in, you will see a prompt to log in. Enter your Philips Hue account credentials in the designated fields. Make sure your email address is correct. Type in your password carefully. Once you have entered your credentials, tap the Login button. Wait a moment for the app to process your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Entertainment Setup screen. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password for accuracy. After logging in, you may need to configure your entertainment area. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your lights for entertainment. Select the lights you wish to include in your entertainment setup. Adjust the light settings based on your preference for music and effects. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, save your settings. Your Philips Hue Entertainment account is now ready for use with music and light effects. Enjoy transforming your space with your newly configured settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.